Thangzing Thabaga Mari Lainana Lamdam Asigi Progressive Farmer Taramanga Yauba Team Ama Numit Tarukni ki oiba exposure tour ama Bihar Agriculture University Savargi Dama Khongsan Krai. Exposure tour asi team asi Sanjen Thongda Laiba Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department ki complex tagi Commissioner cum Secretary Thaithuilung Panmaina Lamthaki. Thoromaduga Mari Lainana Commissioner Thaithuilung na Makhana Hairagasu Khangnariba Thangzing Haiba Pambi asi Lamdam Asida Matam Kayagi Mamangdagi Chana Thangnabagi Yamna Maruoiba Machalamo oina sizinaduna lakli. Lamdam Asida Thangzing asi Aikhoigi oiba traditional method sizinaraga thaduna lakpani. India Linga ki meeting Makhada Nauna Semkiba National Makhana Board ki Makhada Paikhaliba Central Sector Scheme ki Manung Channa Thangzing Thabagi Thabak promote tawri. Masigi Makhada Manipur Makhana Development Agency na Lamdam asida Thangzing Thabagi Thaba si hena promote tawna bamadi Thangzing Thabada sizinariba advanced technology sing Tamhanabagi Pandamda Progressive Farmer Singbu Bihar Agricultural University Savargi Damak Thabani haina fongdoki.
Manipur da mamang tawrapanina water bodies su protect tawangam si like pukri protect tawangam integrated fishery component aduga khoigi water table se sum laikai da area da chingkhong da protect tawangam na huge potential not only Thangzing da natna atai ko benefit yam chaw nu ui ahan mani si Manipur da India so ahan mani asigi value si khangbagi prime minister na tongana national mission na launch sore adugi da khangna matam na bane khoi farmers sin chalaga yeng Uru Larga Sida implement of national consumption da produce over Putopana what labor. Have the Mamanum Kaki, Homo Yauraga, livelihood ki, prosperity, have Kalaga, training to Salaga, exposure Salga, Halaraga, implement of